Namaskar. So, in the monophasic systems or the solution type of oral or dosage forms, today we will see the linctuses. The simple linctus, which is official in a BPC, is also available in the market, and there are some other linctuses available in the market. So, simple linctus contains citric acid, concentrated anise water, chloroform spirit, amaranth solution, and syrup IP to make 100 ml. So in this case, we seen previously like chloroform spirit, then the peppermint spirit, likewise. So which are the derived additives? So instead of chloroform, we are using chloroform spirit. Likewise, here also it is the anise water. It is the aromatic water in the form of concentrated. It is the concentrated anise water, which is a one of the aromatic water, and it is used here. So what are the linctuses, or what is the linctus? So usually linctus is taken in the throat problems. And as you know, when the honey is usually taken. So if we compare the honey and the linctus, you will get many answers. What is the viscosity of honey? Whether the honey will remain in a throat area or not. If it remain on the throat area, how you will feel? Suppose you have the irritating or inflamed throat, and if we apply honey, then you will get a relief. Correct. The similar type, the linctus also give relief. So the properties of honey, like a viscosity, stickiness, soothing effect, they are there in the linctus. So we have to develop that properties in the linctus. Correct. So what are the direction to use linctus? So here, so actually linctus may contain expectorant type of products or the cup formula, or in the dry cup they are used. Correct. So can it be taken like a syrup, expectorant syrup? That is what, or any other method is there regarding the direction to use. So what are the direction to use linctus? Correct. So what we discussed, that is the linctus should remain in a throat area for prolonged period of time. Definitely, this clue will give the idea about whether to drink water, not to drink water, whether the linctus to be mixed with the water before swallowing or not. What are the difference between syrup and linctus? So my point is, suppose the expectorant syrup and any such type of linctus. Hmm? So what is the difference? Correct. The syrup may or may not be that viscous, or it may or may not give the that soothing effect. Correct. So this is the only difference. Majority syrups are easily formulated or can be formulated into linctus. What are the roles of citric acid in the linctus? So citric acid, you know, it is a traditional buffer. Then the citric acid have a the stabilization properties, antioxidant properties, correct. Plus citric acid also used in many formulations which are for antibacterial, antiviral, correct. So what is the role of citric acid here? Whether it is just for taste or any other role. Correct. Justify the anise water as an ingredient of linctus. So anise water is comparatively here have more therapeutic value or medicinal value as compared to the citric acid. Correct. So anise is used for many purposes. Correct. If we see the anise seed, or if we put on the Google or refer any book, the anise have the antibacterial, antiviral, anti-inflammatory like a property. You see many of these. I'm telling some of these. So here the anise water is used. Secondly, anise water is also used for some the flavoring purpose. Correct. So as it is a routine practice. So if we can match here, we can match the color and flavor. We can match therapeutic indication of that formulation and its flavor. Likewise. So here the anise also gives some flavor, plus it have the therapeutic action. Is the chloroform have any role to relieve irritating throat? Correct. So chloroform spirit is used in the previous preparations with in the chloroform. So the question is typical, correct? So in the previous case, chloroform is used for what purpose? It also have the that alcohol contained in this chloroform spirit. But here important issue is that throat is irritating, inflamed. So can chloroform play a role? And if it play a role, then it is formulated in the form of spirit. Why you know it? We cannot mix the chloroform directly. Hmm? You might have found the answer for this. And if you're not getting an answer, I am here. You have to write in a comment box, but you have to try. Hmm? Then I will see what is your difficulty, level of difficulty, and definitely I can take in the next videos. Correct. What are the other drug and non-drug ingredients suitable to formulate linked tests? So drug component means here as we seen anise is there. So likewise in the dry curd in the market, see which is the drug available, which is formulated as linctus. In general, what is the use of linctus? It is actually it is the cup formula having the additional effect on the inflamed throat. That throat is irritating, therefore it is made viscous. Correct. So the drugs which are used for the cough type of disorders, they can be formulated as a linctus. So you have to find which are the different drugs which are used for this purpose and non-drug component. So to make the linctus viscous, soothing, some taste, then to keep the our throat moist. Likewise the number of other solvents like glycerin or in natural honey. So you see the different things. Cooling effect, can we use the thymol, menthol, glycerin, sorbitol, honey. Likewise, find the list and suggest which is the ideal in the non-drug ingredient suitable to formulate as a linctus. What is the direction to use simple linctus for a pediatric? What is the direction to use simple linctus for pediatric? So this is the general formula, but one can use the same linctus with some dilution for a pediatric. So what is that dilution? You have to check. What is the preservative system in the formula? If we see the preservative system, syrup is a major component. So if we see the 100 ml minus 6 plus 1 and 2 means about 10 ml. So 90% is the syrup. So syrup alone can act as the preservative plus additional some preservative system is there. Uh, but such formulations should be used for a shorter duration of period. Suppose 1 week to the 15 days or maximum 1 month. Because it not have that very strong preservatives. But what is the preservative system? You can see, and one can say it is the compounding and dispensing type of preparations having the expiry date of maximum 1 month. Name various linctuses marketed. So marketed product, you see the list, go in the medical shop, take a photograph and also paste that photograph in your journal. So this is in short regarding the simple linctus. We are not taking any medicated linctus which contains that drug. So, but similar is the concept for that, except that if you are adding a drug, then what is the therapeutic angle of drug is important. So this is the one of the monophysic or solution type of system. I hope you are getting the clues to find the answer. And I said I never give the answer to the students, but I make a situation, I make a case, so that the student can think and they find the answer. Because the day will come that we can have a open book examinations. The book is with you, books are with you, and some question is asked. How you are interpreting the things from book, and if in India it happens, then I can say it is the complete fulfillment of the objective of a education. In the education, it never, it was, it is, and it will be never expected to mug the things, recite the things. But unfortunately, we made such a thing that let me know the question, let me know the answer. I will recite the answer. I will write there, and immediately I will forget also. Likewise, and this is not helpful on the long term. Therefore, I'm attempting a these videos, giving a discussions and a 10 questions which are sufficient to prove the dosage form. So if in this way, if you start thinking, definitely throughout your 4 years of B Farm or 6 year of your Farm D, you will be a good thinker, and thinking capacity will get slowly improved, and you will have the great logical thinking capacity. And on this, you can find answer for any question in your life, whether academic, professional, or family. Thank you. We'll see the next preparation in the next video. Thank you.